How to link GoDaddy to QuickBooks. You can connect GoDaddy to QuickBooks using GoDaddy's online bookkeeping service or third-party integration tools. This allows you to sync transactions, manage expenses, and generate financial reports seamlessly. Follow these steps. Method 1. Use GoDaddy Online Bookkeeping. Direct integration. Step 1. Sign in to GoDaddy. Visit GoDaddy.com and sign in to your account. Step 2. Access online bookkeeping from the dashboard. Navigate to My Products and select Online Bookkeeping if subscribed. Step 3. Connect to QuickBooks. Go to Settings within the online bookkeeping platform. Select Connect to QuickBooks or Export to QuickBooks, depending on your version. Step 4. Authorize access. Sign in to your QuickBooks online account when prompted. Allow GoDaddy to access your QuickBooks data. Step 5. Sync transactions. Select the type of data you want to sync, e.g., sales, invoices, expenses. Confirm the connection and begin syncing your financial records. Method 2. Use third-party integration tools. If GoDaddy Online Bookkeeping is not available, use third-party tools like Zapier, OneSass, or Integrate.io. Step 1. Choose a third-party app. Visit the QuickBooks App Store apps.intuit.com. Search for apps like Zapier or OneSass that support GoDaddy integration. Step 2. Connect to QuickBooks. Follow the app's setup process to link GoDaddy and QuickBooks online. Step 3. Configure data sync settings. Choose the data you want to sync, such as sales, expenses, or customer invoices. Step 4. Test the connection. Run a test sync to ensure the transactions are transferring correctly.